Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Happy first day of June. Hope you all had a relaxing holiday weekend, extra long 3-day weekend. My name is Zach Pasquarello. I am a certified QuickBooks Pro advisor, and I'm a bookkeeper. I own Harrisburg Bookkeeping. Real quick, just going to jump right into it. I wanted to make a big announcement. I just got notification directly from QuickBooks, upcoming changes to the discount and also QuickBooks Online price. Pretty big change. The price of QuickBooks is increasing pretty substantially, and I'm going to go into the details right now. So previously, you could get a discount if you purchased your QuickBooks subscription directly from your bookkeeper or your accountant, as long as they are QuickBooks certified pro advisors. So if you didn't know that already, you used to be able to get a 50% discount for the life of the subscription. So QuickBooks, if you sign up on your own through quickbooks.com, they'll give you 50% off for the first 3 months. But then after that, the promotional period is over and they charge you full price. So I just got this email. I have my Gmail account up here on the screen. I'm just going to go through the email real quick, touching on the highlights. So this is a message straight from QuickBooks. Just got it 3 hours ago. Probably every other QuickBooks Certified Pro Advisor received the same email. I wanted to make a video of it quickly so that you all can be informed of the upcoming changes. So this change affects QuickBooks Online Essentials Plus and Advanced. It does not affect Simple Start or Self-Employed. The change is effective July 15th for all new subscriptions, and the change is pretty significant in terms of the price. So the old wholesale discount will be discontinued. It says right there, the wholesale discount will be discontinued. QuickBooks is launching a new discount program. So this is applied to QuickBooks Online, Online Payroll, and QuickBooks Time, which used to be called QuickBooks T-Sheets. So the wholesale discount is being discontinued for new subscriptions, and they are launching a new discount program called the Pro Advisor Preferred Pricing. However, pretty big and important note, wholesale discounts for active subscriptions added prior to July 15th, 2021 are not changing. So, big opportunity here. If you want to continue receiving 50% off for the life of your subscription, and you don't have QuickBooks yet, it's not too late. You've got 6 weeks to sign up. Sign up through a pro advisor. You can contact me, and I can sign you up directly through QuickBooks, and I can get you 50% off for the life of the subscription. This new policy will not change people's discounts if you sign up prior to July 15th, 2021. So don't wait until after July to get your QuickBooks subscription. If you are a new business, or even if you're thinking about starting a business, I would recommend getting QuickBooks before July 15th. So contact me this month, contact me in the first week of July, and I will get you set up with a 50% discount for the life of your subscription. So scrolling down here, the other big change here, QuickBooks Online Pricing Update. You can see it right here in the email, straight from QuickBooks. And this is going to affect all my existing clients and all my future clients. So even if you sign up now for QuickBooks Online, the new price for Essentials will be $50. So it was $40 before, now it's $50. The Plus is going up. I think it was $70 before, now it's $80. And the Advanced, I think, was $150, but now it's $180. So pretty significant, and that's every month. So Essentials is going up by $10 every month. So that means $120 per year. You're going to spend more on Essentials. But if you get it through me, I can get you QuickBooks Essentials for $25 a month for the entire life of the subscription, even through updates like this. It's pretty cool. They are still offering that 50% discount for everyone who signs up before July 15th. And the last update here is that if you sign up after July 15th, your ProAdvisor preferred pricing effective July 15th, 2021, you will be given a 30% discount for the life of your subscription. 30% off if your ProAdvisor is billed directly. So sign up now, sign up before July 15th, receive 50% off, or sign up after July 15th and you will only receive 30% off. So the two big changes here, QuickBooks is increasing their price of their subscription and they are decreasing the discount. So kind of a double whammy for everybody who signs up after July 15th. So no matter what time you sign up, the price of your subscription is still going to go up between like $10 and $30 a month, depending on the subscription level you have. And the discount you are given is going to decrease if you sign up after July 15th. So act now, sign up now, contact me today, contact me this week. Let's get you signed up with QuickBooks Online, and I can get you 50% off for the life of the subscription. So I wanted to share that little update with you guys. It just came out a couple hours ago, so it's brand new. If you already have QuickBooks, if you already have an accountant, reach out to your accountant. If you don't have QuickBooks already, reach out to me, and I will be happy to work with you. My name is Zach Pasquarello. I'm a certified QuickBooks Pro Advisor, and I am a bookkeeper. I can help you with your QuickBooks, your bookkeeping, your payroll, your taxes. I partner with a CPA. He's great if you need help with tax strategy, tax consulting. We file annual taxes. We help you set up your quarterly taxes. Whatever you guys need, reach out. We are happy to work with you. So I hope you all have a wonderful Tuesday. Happy June 1st. I will talk to you all later.